Good afternoon, dear students. We will continue our chapter number 1, the Earth in the solar system that we have started yesterday. Let's recall first that what we have done yesterday. We just learned something about that is showing on the screen here. We just learned about this solar system that you can see on your screen right now. The solar system means the system in which the sun along with its planet just moves around the sun on its axis is the solar system. And there are so many planets that you can see. Earth is there, Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, Neptune, Mars, Venus, and Uranus. If we talk about the new moon and full moon, Purnima, Amavasya, you ever heard at your home, your grandmother deadly believe, your parents deadly believe in these things. So we just learned yesterday that what is the full moon, what is the new moon, what are the celestial bodies, what are the stars. We just come to know, we read it yesterday, we discussed it yesterday. We also learned so many new concepts like the constellation is there, pole star is there, planets are there, meaning of solar system, diagram of solar system we have discussed. We discussed about the sun, the planet, the earth as well. These all these points we have discussed today. See what is to be done, and a few questions also we have done, that is in between question. Here is an interesting fact is given in front of you. See that Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus have rings around them. If you get the question that name the planet which have rings around them, these are Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. So these are the belt of the small debris, and seen from these rings may be seen from the earth with the help of powerful telescope. So you may get a question that name the planets which have rings around them. Please note it down the question, everybody. Now, do you know fact is given here? Do you know Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. You should be aware about this fact. Now, there are so many words in a language maybe have been taken for some other languages. Geographic, for example, it's an English word and its origin is in Greek, which relates to the description of the earth. It is made up of two Greek words, that is earth and graphia. Graphia means writing and G means the earth. Geographic, geology, geometry, geoid. Geology means the study of the earth, geometry is the measurement of the earth, and geoid is the resembling of the shape. And there is another fact that is given to you, that do you know the humans have always been fascinated gazing the night sky. Those who study the celestial body and their movement are called astronomers. Please mark this question. Who are the astronomers? Those who study the celestial body and their movements are known as astronomers. Aryabhata was a famous astronomer in ancient India, and he said that the moon and the planet shine due to reflected sunshine. Today, astronomers all over the world are busy in exploring the universe. So this is the interesting fact that we have to do. After that, let's talk about the moon today. That what is moon? The picture of the moon is here in front of you. The details of the moon is given to you. The earth has only one satellite, that is moon. What is the name of the satellite of earth? It is moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. It appears big because it is near to our planet other than the celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Now you can compare the distance of the earth from the sun and from the moon. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days, and it takes exactly the same time it complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth, and the moon does not have condition of the favorable for the life. It has mountains, plains, depressions on it. You can see the rocket launch has been done, then rocket fall back on the earth and satellite enters in the system. And then these cast shadow on the moon surface. Look at the moon, observe the shadow. The moon does not have the favorable condition. It has plains, mountain, and the depressions on their surface, but the living conditions are not favorable. As people know that to live we need air, water, that is the basic necessities. Asteroids. Let's talk about the asteroid now. Apart from the stars, planets and satellite, these are the numerous tiny bodies which moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. So what the answer you have to write? Apart from the sun, planet and satellite, there are numerous tiny bodies with which also moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, and scientists are of the view that asteroids are the part of the planet which exploded many years back. So what are asteroids? Asteroids are the part of the planet. Please highlight this point. Asteroids are the part of the planet which exploded many years back. जो एक्सप्लॉइड हो चुके हैं बहुत साल पहले से. Meteoroids, the small piece of rock which moves around the sun, is called the meteoroid. Sometimes these meteoroids come near to the earth and tend to drop upon it during the process of the due to friction. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Do you see the British boat brand like a white glowing path across the sky in the clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is the part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named as Akash Ganga. And a galaxy is a huge system of the billion of the star that clouds of the dust and gases. These are the million of such galaxies that would make a universe. It is difficult to imagine that how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it, and we are not certain about the size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. Here it is given, can you relate yourself with the universe? See, we are here. If you look at the picture carefully, the picture of a girl is given to you. We are is at this position. Earth is round on which we are living. The solar system is greater to that. Then Milky Way galaxy is there, and then complete universe is there. We can imagine like this about the earth. Here is, do you know, and some interesting facts are also given. Do you know that the light travels at the speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second, and yet even with this speed the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. So you can have the in between question, what is the speed of light to travel. One more interesting fact is given over here. The Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 20th July 1969. Next is a satellite is a body that moves on the planet in the same way as the planet moves around the sun. Human-made satellite is an artificial body designed by the scientists to gather the information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in the space are INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT, etc. So these are the complete facts that we have to study about the Earth and the solar system. Let's see the exercises given over here in which you have the questions. Tick the correct answer, filling the blanks that is to be done, and you have to find the back exercise yourself. So let's discuss it right now. We'll discuss that tick the correct answer. I request sir to unmute to allow the student to unmute themselves whose turn is there, as we have to discuss the chapter now. Students, I request you to unmute yourself and raise your hands if you want to ask something or discuss something.